there is another type of wall anchor that doesn't even take a drill bit. They are a threaded self-drilling wall anchor. Now these usually don't come in the little packages with all the hardware you get. You have to buy these separate. I can leave a link down below, but I really like these. Say they drill themselves in with that tip right there. And you just use a drill with a Phillips head. Now when you're doing them, I like to take the screwdriver end and right where you're wanting it on the wall, go ahead and just kind of press that in and let's get a hole started. Because these do kind of wiggle around before they get started. Let me show you. So we're going to just start slow until it slowly catches, holding it with our fingers just a little bit. Once it starts, take your hand away and just slowly drive it into the wall. And once it goes flush, stop, and you're good to go. There you go. Now this is going to be a more secure anchor. With those big threads, it's harder to pull it out. And that's what I like about them. So I use them on towel racks, toilet paper holders, things that are going to get a lot of use and moving around versus just a pitcher or a shelf. These can take more weight and they're just a little more grabby with the drywall. So, hope that helps. If you want other videos like this, be sure and subscribe down below. Otherwise, I'll check you out on the next one.